What's up, programmer? In this video, I am going to show you how to use pointers for dynamic memory allocation in C++ programming. So what is dynamic memory allocation? Dynamic memory allocation is when you basically allocate memory for certain variables at runtime rather than when you compile the program. Now I am going to show you how to dynamically allocate memory using pointers in C++ programming. We would need to create a pointer variable first. Next, when you want to set it equal to something, you will want to type new followed by the same data type and then the same data type that you have for the pointer and then the square brackets and then along with a value inside. So in this line of code, we use new, which is called the new operator, to dynamically allocate an array for 5 integers. Then we are storing the memory location of the first element in the array in the pointer variable called integer pointer. Now notice that we're using the square brackets to show that we want to allocate an array. We are also using the data type along with the asterisk to show that the variable integer pointer is a pointer to the integer data type. Now since we have allocated memory for the array, we can access the elements just like a regular array. I am going to set each value in the array to be a specific value and then print them out on the console. So when we run the program, you can see that each specific value in the array printed on the console. Now the next thing you need to make sure to do when you're done using the dynamically allocated memory is that you need to free up that memory so that your program won't leak any memory. You can basically free up the memory by using the delete operator. This line of code will basically free up the memory for the integer pointer variable. It's important that you delete and free up any dynamically allocated memory in your program. Otherwise, you can run into issues with your program later on. So remember to use the delete operator when you're done with a specific dynamically allocated memory. So this is an introduction to dynamically allocated memory with pointers in C++ programming. This is easy syntax, and I hope you enjoyed the video.